Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. We'll continue with the topic called light, reflection and refraction, grade 10 CBSE part B. So here in part B, what we are going to begin is the special rays for images, formation of by lens. So how the images are formed when you are using a lens over here. Always remember the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis and after refraction it will pass through or appears to come from second focus of the lens. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. After refraction, it appears to pass through the focus. An instant ray passing through the optical center. See, ray 3, it is passing through the optical center here. So, whenever it is passing through the optical center, it goes undeviated. Whenever it is passing through the optical center, it goes undeviated in both the cases. Okay. Point number three. Point number three is a instant ray passing through the first principal focus of the lens or directed towards becomes parallel to the principal axis after refraction. After refraction, it will become a parallel over here. When the incident ray is passing through the principal focus, then after refraction it will become parallel to the principal axis. See ray 2, it is passing through the focus, after refraction it is parallel to the principal axis in both the scenarios. So these are the general points which you need to remember whenever we are studying regarding the topic called light. So earlier we were discussing about the two types of mirrors. One is your concave mirror and another one is your convex mirror. In concave mirror, how the concave mirror appears. Check the image properly. Please check the image. Concave mirror curves inward. It is bent inward and can form real or virtual images. In the earlier classes, we have discussed the example of a spoon. The face of the spoon will become concave and the back part will become the convex. So it is bent inwards. If you are taking a ray, now what about the convex here? It is bent outwards. It is bent outwards convex and concave is bent inwards. So when you have placed the object P over here, a ray is parallel always will take. Now two rays are there. One ray is passing through the optical center and another ray is passing through the center of curvature. C for center of curvature. As it is passing through the optical center, he hits back undeviated. When it is passing through the center of curvature, see both the rays are meeting over here. So this point, what you will be having here, you are going to get the real inverted image. We are going to get the real inverted image. So what are the uses here? Used for enlarged face view, used in torch reflector. The object is placed, the rays are reflected here, the image forms inverted. Concave mirror will bring reflected rays together at the focus. Concave mirror brings reflected rays together at the focus. Now coming back here about the convex mirror. About the convex mirror. So object is placed in front of the convex mirror. So two rays we are taking. One is parallel and is passing in this way. As it is passing here, it appears to be, what do you call, coming through the focus. As it is refracted, when we are what we are doing, when you are extending the lines, both are meeting at one point. End point you have done on your own. So here the image is formed, and what is that image called? That image is virtual. So image is also always virtual. Image is always erect and diminished. Image forms between a principal and the focus, which is behind the mirror. The image is found in between principal and focus behind the mirror. Now check, see here. Always remember these points which are very useful in concave and convex mirrors and their images. The mirror, the convex, the type of image is virtual. The object distance at any, the size of the image will be reduced. So how about the concave, virtual? If the it is less than the focus, then the enlarged. If it is real, if in between, the object is placed in between double of the focus and the focus, and the size is enlarged, and the image is positive, will be real if it is greater than the radius and the size of the image is reduced over here. Now comes the another important part, which is called your sign conventions. Which is called your sign conventions. These are useful in solving the numericals. So again, both the mirrors in one go we have taken concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror is bent inside, convex mirror is bent outwards. As you are taking the height in the upward direction, it's always positive. In the downward direction, if you measure, it is always negative. In the left side, if you measure, it is always negative. In the right side, you will measure, it is always positive. So focal length of a concave mirror is always negative. Please remember the signs. The focal length of a concave mirror is always negative, and the focal length of a convex mirror is always positive. Focal length of a convex mirror is always positive, students. Any doubt, you can WhatsApp me to the given numbers. Thank you very much, students. We will meet in the next class.